Going over Tesla stock today, and today is March 28th. Douche Bank here with a new price target of $345. This is again as of March 28th. So we finally have another update here for Tesla stock. This is now 7 buying recommendations in a row. Again from Mizuho with 430, Canaccord 404, RBC 320, Cantor 425, Piper 450, Morgan Stanley there 410, and of course the one today here, Douche Bank 345. All right. And this one here from week of March 10th, 530,000 purchases and then 54,000 insider sales. And that is at the average of 238. All right. So let's go ahead and go straight into the Webull chart today for Tesla stock. And I'll go ahead and share with you the upside potential and downside potential as well. And there is one thing that I mentioned in our previous video, and it is between 272 and 250. I mentioned that this would be a dip opportunity, right? We did hit that high there of 291 here pretty recently, and I did mention if we drop down below 272, watch for that dip opportunity between 272 and 250. It's where I wouldn't mind adding a position into Tesla or adding more dollar cost averaging into Tesla stock. If we do drop below 250 or get close to 250, that's where I'll look to add a bigger position for Tesla stock, and that could, again, potentially range down into 214, 215 from 250. There is that potential gap fill between 250 and 255, and so that's something to definitely keep an eye out for Tesla stock if you are looking for downside movement. And again, this is where I would look to be dollar cost averaging for Tesla stock. If you saw what Tom Lee said during the past few days, he mentioned that Tesla stock here is going to have that sharp V recovery for the stock here up to 488, the all-time high. What he was looking out for is that resistance test here of 330. And in my opinion, I'm looking actually for 313 to be tested. So personally, 313 is where I'm looking for. But you can see Tom Lee's prediction there of 330 being potentially tested. And again, from current prices, that'll be about a 24% move towards the top side. Again, towards 330 from our current price. From our current price to the all-time high, which is Tom Lee's second prediction there, it's going to be around an 85% move towards the top side. And again, what I would personally be doing is dollar cost averaging while we are below 272. Again, I wouldn't even mind dollar cost averaging while we're below 313 in case you're watching this way later and you're missing out on this potential dip opportunity. Personally, I wouldn't mind adding below 313, but if you're looking for like the better dip opportunity, below 272 is pretty good in my opinion, and below 250 is even probably one of the best opportunities there if we get close to 250. But don't take that as financial advice. That's just my personal opinion. Do what you want with Tesla stock, and personally, I'm just dollar cost averaging, especially while we are below the 200 daily moving average. And again, I'm pretty confident that we will get that retest of 330 going into also 355. Now that was my personal prediction there, 313 to 355. Tom Lee's prediction again going to be 330 to 488. With that being said, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Are you guys long-term on Tesla stock too? Do you think it's a buying opportunity right now while we're at 264, or do you think we have a lot of more room to drop? Do you think we even drop down below 217 there, our low here recently on March 11th? Personally, I don't think we drop below 213. I think this is just going to be another dip opportunity similar to a W. See how Tom Lee was talking about a sharp V recovery. Of course, things aren't going to be perfect, right? But I'm expecting that kind of cup and handle or that W shape forming back up towards the top side. So I do believe eventually Tesla will get to the all-time high again. And so this is a pretty considerable dip opportunity, being, a drop over 50% there. If you haven't yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 members there. There's also a Tesla chat section. Once you get verified on the Discord, you are more than welcome to come on into the Tesla chat section. It's free. You can share your due diligence, ask questions, share your opinions, and share unusual whales data and all that good stuff and whatnot. If you do want live entries and exits, you can. This is optional. You can join our Patreon. It will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord. Live entries and exits on stocks and options are included in our Patreon, and we also have a new bot implemented here pretty soon for our community here for Bullish Raid. So feel free to check that out. We do have a permanent discount that is ending pretty soon. You can view the Patreon link down below. If we have any available spots, feel free to come on in to our Patreon there, okay? We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary, and more than welcome and more than happy to have you on board with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock. Again, going into April, I do think we get a rally for the overall market, and I do think Tesla stock is going to get that reversal back up towards the top side. This is a dip opportunity, and I'm not trying to waste anyone's time here. I will get straight to it and just say that I am personally dollar cost averaging below 272. I think it's a really good dip opportunity.